CPB Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. The Campbell company, it's decent, $34, you know, and I can tell you this is just a bearish market for me. If you pull out here, I've done 40,000 videos over 5 years, so you know I've seen what's working for me, what's not. Specifically with CPB, I can tell you that. Let's go here to the weekly chart. This is just melting down. It's going down quite hard, actually. I'm trying to be kind and not nice here. I'm not trying to fake hype anything, but the truth and the reality is that these lows are freaking it for me. You know, I'm not saying I'm going to sell pretty much immediately, but what this means is that if I see some sort of a double break, I'm going to look to take it down. Other than that, randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free email.